Hey everybody, another short video clip. Just put 2 new mantles on this lantern because I dropped it and knocked them off. Got to hang on this tripod, Coleman lantern. Kerosene lantern I'll leave burning all night, camping on Cherokee Lake. Coleman lantern, kerosene lantern, and this Coleman lantern. Electric light I'll hook to a battery. I'm charging that battery on my truck with jumper cables like I did last night. Got a tester here. I can see how much I've charged on that test light. F-150 metal detector, which I haven't found anything. Shovel, a pinpointer, metal detector, fishing poles. Thought I'd make a video here. I'm going to be cooking some food here. And supposed to have my wife and her kids coming out. Going to cook some chicken wings with this, chicken legs, hamburger meat, hamburger patties, soup beans, potatoes, instant gravy, brown gravy in the jar. Got a pretty good setup here. Got some more people showing up. Pontoon boat in the water. Some people over there. Just a short video clip. I'm going to have a fire going here in this thing. Okay, I'll be back.